Hello and welcome to the Cozy Blanket Chronicles. Find a comfortable spot, dim the lights, and let's journey together into a world of soothing stories, crafted just for your bedtime. Tonight, our story takes us to the quiet, starlit village of Silverstream, nestled in a valley where the moonbeams seem to dance on every rooftop. In this village lived a little rabbit named Pip. Pip was a curious and adventurous rabbit, but when night fell, he often found his mind racing with the day's excitement, making it hard to fall asleep. One evening, as Pip tossed and turned in his soft, mossy bed, he saw a gentle glow outside his burrow. Peeking out, he saw the man in the moon, with a kind, shimmering smile, lowering a silver thread down from the sky. Tied to the end of the thread was a tiny, sparkling star. "Hello, little one," the moon whispered, his voice like the rustling of leaves. "I see you're having trouble sleeping. This is a dream star. Hold it and think of your happiest memory." Pip carefully took the star in his paws. It was warm and pulsed with a soft, steady light. He closed his eyes and thought about a sunny afternoon he spent in the meadow, chasing butterflies with his friends. He remembered the feeling of the warm sun on his fur, the sweet scent of clover, and the sound of laughter echoing through the air. As he held onto this happy thought, the star's glow grew a little brighter, and a wave of warmth and calmness washed over him. The moon spoke again, his voice even softer now. "Every night, the sky is full of stars, and each one holds a happy memory, a peaceful thought, or a quiet dream. When your mind feels busy, just look up. Pick a star and let it guide you to a place of rest." Pip snuggled back into his bed, still holding the dream star. He imagined floating on a soft cloud, drifting across the night sky, passing countless other stars, each one a tiny beacon of joy and tranquility. He felt his eyelids grow heavy, the day's worries melting away like morning mist. The next night, Pip didn't wait for the moon to send him a star. He just looked out his window, picked the brightest one he could see, and remembered the taste of a sweet carrot he'd found in the garden. Soon, he was fast asleep, a peaceful smile on his face. From then on, bedtime was no longer a struggle for Pip. It became his favorite time of day, a time to visit the stars and sail on a sea of happy memories all the way to dreamland. And just like Pip, you too have a sky full of stars waiting for you. Close your eyes, picture a warm, happy memory. Feel the calmness it brings. Let it be your own personal dream star, guiding you gently into a deep and peaceful sleep. The world can wait until morning. For now, there is only this moment of quiet, this feeling of comfort, and the gentle journey into your dreams. Thank you for joining me on the Cozy Blanket Chronicles. I hope this story has brought you peace. Sleep well, and may your dreams be as sweet and as bright as a sky full of stars. Until next time.